everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write a VBA code to delete rows based on cell values. Now, if you remember, a few days back, we did a video to hide rows based on cell values. A very similar macro we are going to see today, but instead of hiding, we are going to delete those rows. So very quickly, moving on to my VBA editor. So the code is going to be pretty much same. So for each cell in range, so my range is B2 to B16, right? For you, it can be any other range, so select accordingly. And then for each cell, for if cell dot value is equal to 0, then I want to delete the entire row. So I'll write cell dot entire row dot delete, and then I'll write next. So this is the only three-liner code, as you can see, and you can use it for deleting the rows. I'll just press F5, right? As you can see, the code is now run and all the zeros are deleted, right? Similarly, you can change the conditions here, like greater than or less than or is equal to true or is equal to false or is equal to any other specific text, and then delete rows which are not required. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Do comment on the video, subscribe to my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Have a great day.